Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to go over the subscription customer portal offer in Bold Upsell and show you how to set one up. When Bold Upsell is integrated with Bold subscriptions, you can show product offers right within the customer portal, where your customers go to manage their subscriptions. If your customer is subscribed to the product that you have designated as the trigger product in Upsell, once logged into the customer portal, they will see your offers near the top of the page. From here, your customers can add the offer product to their existing subscription order, either as a one-time purchase or a recurring order, depending on how you offer the product on your storefront. If you haven't already made your trigger product available for a subscription, you can visit our Help Center for step-by-step directions on how to create a standard subscription group. With that being said, let's go through the setup process in Bold Upsell. Within the Bold Upsell admin, click Offers, then Create Offer. Enter in a title for the offer group. This name is internal and is used to help you identify this offer between other offers in Bold Upsell. Next, click Set a Trigger under Upsell Trigger and select Subscription Customer Portal. Choose whether to trigger specific products or all of the products in your catalog. If you chose specific products, click Select Products, select your trigger products, and click Continue with Selected Products. Next, click Set an Offer. Enter a title and description for the offer that you want to appear in the customer portal, then choose your offer products. Please note that a maximum of 3 products can be shown in the offer on the customer portal page. If more than 3 products are selected, Bold Upsell will show the offers at random. In the next section, you can enter a start and end date to control how long the offer appears in the customer portal. Click Save at the bottom of the page. Once the upsell offer is activated, the offer can be seen near the top of the page within the customer portal for customers that are subscribed to one of the trigger products you set in the upsell group. And that's all there is to it. For more information on this integration, please visit our Help Center at supports.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.